Hi, I'm Rob and I'm one of the co-founders of the Oystermen Seafood Bar and Kitchen here in Covent Garden. Obviously we're closed right now due to COVID restrictions, but thankfully quite a few of you are buying oysters from us, then having to come back to us with questions on how to open them. We thought it was high time we gave you a little tutorial on how to open the things the Oystermen way. Cheers.
When opening an oyster at home, one needs a tea towel, your oysters, and your shucking knife. The way we get into an oyster is through the hinge here. So we insert our knife there, give it a wiggle and open it. Second part, there's a muscle holding the meat to the top part of the shell, and there is a muscle holding the meat to the bottom part of the shell. With our knife we need to cut through these muscles, cut, to release the shell and oyster. Place your oyster on the tea towel, fold it over. This will stop you stabbing yourself at home, it's very important. Find the hinge, insert the knife until it goes in. Once it's in, you'll know it's pretty solid. Give it a turn. Pop. Bring your knife through, find the muscle, and cut through it. Pop. And that will release the top shell completely. Find the second muscle, it's just here, it's a hard bit of muscle. Pull your knife, make your way through it. The oyster is completely free. Just check for any bits of shell or dirt. Give it a flip if you so like. Make it pretty. There we go.
Guys, that's how you shuck an oyster Oystermen style. Have a lovely evening and enjoy your oysters.